One Americano ice.
Full size.
Medium.
Thanks, sir.
That's it. Natanggap kayo ng Gcash.
How about OG card po?
Miss, yung Americano, no sugar yan, no?
Stop over here in NLEX Marilao. Say, hi, mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Akala niya sa kanya tong donut, pero... Oh no, it's so sweet.
Wanna play him again and again up until I get a hair rush. I don't know just how you do it, falling high. I don't wanna run it.
Hey guys, so we're now here in Bulacan and we found this amazing private resort. So yeah, tara, pakita ko sa inyo. And yeah, nandito na tayo sa loob and this is the ambience dito sa living area. Okay, so what I love about this place is so relaxing kasi nasa gitna siya ng bukid and hindi siya maingay sa paligid. Super, kung gusto niyo talaga ng mga nature. Oh yes, my baby! Hi! Baby, are you excited to go swim?
Yes, Mommy.
Ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan yung boses mo? Niloloko niya ako. You ha? You're like your daddy. Oh, so this is the pool and this is the area na pwede kayong mag-kwentuhan, jamming, bonding with your friends. So, ganito siya sa gabi. Ang ganda niya kasi super daming ilaw, mga LEDs. Mas maganda pala siya sa gabi. Diba? Look. Kaso nasunog. Hindi ko naiikot. Yung sa kabila, wala. Okay, guys. So, it's already 10 p.m. And this is our outfit. Sorry, excuse my tummy from Fujiko. June. Hindi si Jelle. Ito talaga eh. Tinakpan niya, nakaganyan siya kanina. Okay, di ba? Kaya nakaganyan siya. Kaya na late kami mag-swimming kasi nagpatulog pa ako ng baby. Tulog ko pa si Fujiko. May nalaga ng bata. Yeah, our stay here is so super. Nag-enjoy kami dito and I really love the place. Lalo na si Fujiko, nag-enjoy siya. Super. Can I get one ice americano? No sugar, venti.
ba ito rin doon?
Wait, it's on its Today is cleaning day and of course, as always, one call away lang ang BCB. Grabe yung powers nila sa paglilinis kaya always ko talagang kinokontak ang BCB kapag kailangan ko ng help. I need to sanitize our home because syempre may Fuji ko tayo so may baby. Dapat sanitize ang bawat sulok-sulok ng house natin and para din maganda yung vibe. So kailangan nasa sanitize lagi and nalilinis talaga ng deep clean para sa mga mommies dyan. It's BCB. I will recommend it to you guys. Ito yung Facebook nila.
On that accent of your lips, how your tongue do all those tricks, how you know.
Kaya napadaan na kami actually para tumingin ng bag ni JM for gadgets. Pero nakita ko to, ang ganda. So, diba? Ganda siya. Handbag and pwede rin siyang sling bag. Hey guys, so we are now on our way to True Beauty International for a quick shoot and also papagawa din ako ng lashes and brows. So yeah, I'm so excited. And we're here now at True Beauty International and it's located here in Ortigas, Pasig. So yeah, ito lang yung only branch nila dito sa Philippines kasi yung ibang branch nila nasa Europe, nasa Canada. I'm here now to get my brows and lashes done and tatry ko yung pinakabago nilang Korean lash lift. It's super new here in the Philippines and also magpapagawa din ako ng brows ko. Yeah, it's my first time to get my brows laminated and a Korean lash lift. Kasi usually nagpapalagay lang ako ng extension sometimes kapag wala akong time. Naglagay lang ako ng parang fake lashes. Yan, yung natatanggal lang siya. Grabe. Tingnan nyo. Hindi yan hindi yan makeup Totoo talaga yan. Naka-lift lang yung lashes ko. I love it. I really love it. Super ganda. Love it. True Beauty International here in Ortigas. And nasa Eton Mall lang siya. So, yeah.
Yummy. You like it?
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers!
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday and we're here now at Vandam Cares because it's our dental day and it's Vandam Cares Day. Papakin na kami today. Ako at si JM. So si JM muna nauna and then next ako. So usually dapat we're consistent talaga tayong nagpapa-cleaning ng ating mga teeth para maalagaan, ma-maintain natin and para maging healthy. Hi! Bye! Yes, that's your pie. Super bilis lang, guys. Super quick lang talaga. Yes. Yes. Oh, baby next, baby next. Ganda na ulit. Fresh na ulit yung teeth natin. As always. Thank you, Bandam Cares. Super busog na kami. We're going to give Fujiko a cookie. Thank you. Wow. Say thank you. Say thank you first.